Want to get right to our forecast as well. We do have team weather coverage this afternoon. Starting us out, meteorologist Tavian Whitehurst is joining us now with more on those storms, and a lot happening on that screen behind you right now, Tavian.
Oh yeah, it is a busy one to say the least. We saw these storms come in a little bit earlier than expected as we were getting into some of the morning time shows. If you watch us on our Fox channel, that's really getting into that 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock hours when we first started to see those storms rolling into the plateau, and they have continued to grow and expand throughout the rest of the area. Now, that damage that we're seeing at Russellville Elementary School, there's no saying what particularly could have caused that damage, but we were seeing not only a severe thunderstorm warning, multiple of them in that area, but even the tornado warning was getting in towards parts of Hamilton County as well. So that would be something, an example of what the National Weather Service might try to survey once all of this is said and done. But you're looking at what, like we said, a very, very active radar. We're looking at a flash flood warning over in towards the west that's going to be including a little bit of Fentress County. That's because 1 to 2 inches have already fallen in that area. That is a lot of heavy rain that's already passed through in that area. Even another tornado warning that was in Overton County, just outside of our region. So strong storms have already passed through the northwestern plateau, and now we're starting to see those push south into the rest of the area. I'm going to move things over towards the east right now because this is our newest severe thunderstorm warning, including parts of Greene, Unicoi, and Washington counties. That's going to be including parts of Newport, parts of Del Rio, just coming out of the Dandridge area. That's going again until 12:45 p.m. with 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. So that's some of the smaller hail reports that we've seen so far. We've already gotten reports and pictures of nickel-sized hail, golf ball-sized hail, even fully baseball-sized hail at times. A picture coming in from Bean Station. So we've seen quite a lot in this time period. We're also looking at this other severe thunderstorm warning that's ending at about 13 minutes, moving out of the Greenville area, heading into the rest of Greene County, and continuing to move its way further over towards the east into parts of Unicoi and Washington County. Now, we've watched this bundle of storms move quite a ways, and we were even looking at a little bit of light rotation, because as this system made its way out of parts of Hamilton County, we were looking at some broadening rotation, or weakening rotation, I should say. And at this point, looking at the velocity map, I don't any longer see what I was looking at earlier. Gonna take a move over into Knox County. I know a lot of people are in this area right now. We did have 2 severe thunderstorm warnings that were in this area. Those have since ended as of about 11:30, 11:45 or so. So Knox County is getting that heavier rain, especially over into the west. We see areas like Farragut, Powell, Carnes, just about everywhere east of I-75 is seeing some of those heavier storms. I'll take it out back into the rest of the area because as we see this rainfall pushing in, I'll show you the temperatures, and something very interesting is happening as we speak. As these heavier storms push further down into the south, we see a very strong cooling effect, and now we've got a 20-degree difference between 61 degrees up in Huntsville, one of the first places to start seeing these storms, compared to 81 degrees over in Athens. That is a 20-degree difference that we are seeing right now with the impact of some of those storms. So we look at a little bit of a compressional heating for areas not seeing that rain just yet, but it won't be long before they see it in just a bit. Temperature's going to fluctuate for that reason, but Brittany, I'll talk more about these storms in just a little bit.